Are your file secure in the cloud? How secure are file in the cloud? This is question often asked by everyday people, small business owner and IT admins. However, it breaks down into three questions that something like this. 1. How much protection does my cloud storage account have from being hacked? 2. How safe are my files from employee at the service provider who might want to look at them? How secure are my files when they sit on the provider server and when they are in transit to my device? The answer is to all three questions in same. The major cloud storage services are highly secure. In general, your files are better protected with a top cloud storage provider than they are on your laptop or an external drive. Yet, people still have their doubts about storing file in the cloud with this is mind. In worth taking a moment to review how cloud storage provider protect and lay down your personal and work files. How cloud storage provider keep your files secure? Cloud storage provider understand how a single security breach can result in a massive lack of trust. Thus, the most reportable provider have create many system and control to keep your content safe, secure and private. This system require significant investment and they dramatically reduce the probability of data breaches while enabling quick detection and migration when a critical event occurs. As you consider interesting your file storage need to cloud storage provider, it's essential to be aware of the most common cloud storage security best practices available. We recommended you work with a provider that offer of the following: robust access control system. Employee at your cloud storage provider should not have starting access to your file. The best policy is known as zero standing access, which establishes that no engineer or employee can access a customer cloud storage file or account unless explicitly granted in response to a specific incidents.